Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to work for you while you sleep, you will work until you die." Hi guys, it's Grayson here. So for those that don't know me, I'm a stock investor and I have experience working with a asset management firm. So today I'm gonna tell you 8 reasons why I invest in stocks market and why you should invest as well. The first reason, and of course is the most obvious one, is to grow our money. Most of the investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, or even fixed deposits allow us to generate returns or interest in the long term. And with the returns or profit we generate over the period, we're able to grow our money, and in the long term, we're able to create the wealth. And why do I choose stocks to invest? I'm going to explain it on reason number 2.
So if there's so many investment options out there, why do I choose stocks as my primary investment? Simply because invest in stocks because historically they have gone up. Overall, the stocks market have tended to rise over the last 100 years. Yes, of course, there's absolutely been nasty crashes, pullbacks, and period of bad performance. But overall, stocks have formed a steady march upward as the United States and global economies has grown up every year.
And the third reason why I invest in stocks is because money will lose its value over the long term if sitting in cash, thanks to inflation. You have probably heard of inflation, but you find it strange or confusing to the term of inflation, right? But put it in a simple way, imagine a thief that comes to your house every single year to steal your money without fail, and that's inflation. Do you remember how our parents could go for a movie for just 5 ringgit? Well, today it's gonna cost you 10, 15 or even 20 ringgit for a movie, because over the long term, the price of services and product will go up while the value of money will go down, and that's depreciating. And so today if you have $10,000, you put it under a mattress, and in 30 years time, the same $10,000 couldn't buy you as much things as the $10,000 today, and that's inflation. So the third reason why I invest in stocks is because I want to beat inflation in order to protect the value of my money, or even better, to grow the value of the money.
And the fourth reason why I invest in stocks is because you will more likely to make more than other conventional investment. Looking back at history, stocks has earned more wealth for investors than most of the other investment options. On average, investors in the US have profited more from buying stocks than buying bonds, buying a home, or most other investment options. For example, look at this chart which show how much money you would have if you invested just one single dollar into stocks compared to government bonds or treasury bills since 1926. I know there's argument that saying the real estate is earning more than the stocks market, but I would definitely make a video of this topic in the future.
And the reason number 5 is because I like to invest in dividend stocks for a steady income. Dividend stocks are special compared to the normal stocks because they will pay you a dividend in the cash form on a very regular basis.
I have previously made a video about dividend income and my strategy to dividend stocks investing. I strongly recommend you to watch the video because you'll find it very valuable. Link in the description. And reason number 6, I invest in stocks so I can own a part of a company that I love. For example, if you are a coffee lover and you think Starbucks offer a very quality coffee and you think they have a very good coffee experience in their coffee shops, so you can simply go to the stocks exchange and purchase a share of a Starbucks corporation. Or another example, if you like McDonald's, you think they offer a very good and delicious fast food. So you can simply again go to the stocks exchange and simply purchase a single share of McDonald's. Because when you buy even a single shares of a company, you are officially a part owner. For example, if you buy Apple stock, you are actually an owner of the company, and this Apple's CEO Tim Cook legally works for you. Isn't that awesome? Instead of thinking how to become a consumer, we should shift our mindset to how to be an investor. And reason number 7 is because being an investor will make you a more disciplined and productive person. Because being an investor means that you have to be always sensitive of what's going on in the market, and you have to always have a trading plan in place. And for me personally, being an investor make me wake up more early. I read more news. I pay more attention to researchers and what's going on in the financials market. And because we have to take total responsibility for everything that's going to happen to us, we are going to find our weakness easily and we can work on them. For example, laziness, habits of finding excuses, etc. And reason number 8, we invest in stocks so we can always be learning. Investing in stocks will teach you a ton. You will learn a lot about the stock market and how companies works, what makes them success or fail, or how products come to the market, or even how economies impact the companies, and much more. Plus, you will learn to think in new ways. Investing in the stocks market requires logics, analysis, and truthful reflection. Practicing these skills with investing is sure to sharpen them in other areas of your life as well. Remember, learning doesn't stop in school or university. In life, it's all about learning, and improving.
So that's the 8 reason why I invest in stocks market and why I think you should invest as well. So please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel to see more content like this, and I would love to hear feedback from my subscribers. So do drop a comment in the comment section below to let me know what do you think of my content, and as always, have a good day and happy investing.